In a new piece for the Wall Street Journal, our next guest poses the question, is Nvidia the new Tesla? Let's bring in Gunjan Banerji, lead writer for the Wall Street Journal's Markets Live and a CNBC contributor. Thanks for joining us. There's great things about momentum stocks, Gunjan. If you get in early on one of those and you let it ride and you don't cut your profits short, it's a beautiful thing. And it's momentum combined with underlying fundamentals that are exciting. There's no doubt that Nvidia, with AI, it's a great story to tell. But we're talking about a company that was worth $250 billion. It's now worth $1 trillion. Yeah. When do the laws? It just seems like I don't want the whole market hinging. It's the linchpin of the market, and it's already quadrupled. That seems dangerous.
The stakes are high after the closing bell today, not just for Nvidia, but the entire market. This is the best performer in the entire S&P 500 this year. And people are really piling into the stock ahead of its earnings, and the expectations are high. You're seeing people pile into the options market, turning to ultra bullish trades tied to the stock, jumping to 600, jumping to 700. You're seeing analysts raise their price targets on the stock as well. The most optimistic of the bunch recently raised his price target to $1,000. It's under $500 right now. So you're really seeing this Nvidia casino thrive ahead of its earnings. And that's what reminds a lot of traders of Tesla, where Tesla similarly is one of the most popular trades in the entire options market. It's become this entire casino of its own with a ton of momentum trading behind it.
The expression "nothing grows to the sky, no tree grows." Apple did. Apple grew to the sky and then went through the sky and then went up into the atmosphere. And Tesla, for a car company, which people didn't think any car company could ever have a market cap like that. So it essentially went so far above and beyond what was really possible. I guess that's why it keeps happening again and again. But is there the possibility there's an air pocket at some point under Nvidia? Is there hype around AI or not, Gunjan?
Look, everyone seems to be drinking the Kool-Aid this year, and it's not just Nvidia. Nvidia's blockbuster earnings results in May really kickstarted this frenzy that's dominated much of the year. Nvidia contributed to more than 1/10 of the S&P 500's total return through July. So it's really brought a lot of the market along with it, and that poses risks as well, right? In August, we've already seen stocks kind of mired in one of the worst slumps since March, and this is a market that's in need of a catalyst. We're facing rising yields. A lot of people are questioning, has the AI mania gone too far, too fast? How real is this thing? And that's what makes these earnings results so important after the closing bell. It does seem for now, though, that a lot of people are just fearful of missing out. They want to play short-term gains in the stock. That's why they're turning to the options market. That's why they may be buying the shares ahead of earnings. And that helps explain what the 8% pop in the shares on Monday alone. And it looks like the stock is up again in pre-market trading. So people are saying, if this is the next Apple, if this thing is going to continue, if AI really does change our world, we don't want to miss out.